Hey everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you're excited to see what came in the December Eyescream Beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, we have this month's Eyescream Beauty box. This is a $25 a month beauty subscription where you get at least 5 products. It's a flat fee. There is no shipping and handling. You only pay $25. So this beauty subscription typically has more makeup than skincare. The brands tend to be lesser known or indie type brands. Sometimes you get known brands. It's really affordable. All right, it does come with a card. This is the best looking card I've seen come in this beauty subscription. I'm just going to set that aside. It will have the name of the product as well as the price. All right, this box does come with just the bare minimum of little peanuts. They are the type that are biodegradable. All right, this first item caught the corner of my eye. I don't know what it is, but it's super adorable. Would you look at that? That looks to be a penguin. Are you a beauty sponge shaped like a penguin? What is this? All right, so it's from, Base Blue is the brand. And I'm fairly certain, based off of how lightweight it is, that this is going to be a beauty sponge. Yes, it's a Penquin silicone coating blending sponge. That is too cute. I don't know that I would ever use it to put makeup on because I just want it to be perched up and on display. Okay, yes, very Christmassy. All right, what does that retail for? All right, that is $13. More than I would spend on a beauty blender, but cheaper than other brands, and the cuteness factor, totally worth it. All right, next item, we have something from Pure Cosmetics. Based off of the size of the packaging, I'm going to assume a powder. Yes, this is a Picture Perfect HD powder. I have dry skin and don't use powder, but let's see what this retails for. All right, the powder is $28. I'm gonna open the box so we can take a look at what the packaging is all about, and then this is just gonna be set aside for a future giveaway because powder makes me look creepy. Ooh, this packaging is nice. It's plastic or acrylic, but this lid comes with a mirror. There is a very squishy, thick powder puff. And down here is like a deep well. This is like a protector that I assume you peel off, and maybe there'll be a mesh or something to keep the powder at bay. That is adorable packaging. And if I used powder, this would be super cute. All right, what else came in this box? Something is very lightweight. This here is a lip kit from Baesic Beauty, which includes a gel liner, cream, and a cream liquid lipstick. It is in the shade, don't know till I open the box. Oh no! Alright, so they are some very deep, dark, kind of brick red shades, which are beautiful. I personally only wear very light nudie shades, light pinks, like a dusty rose, but this can go into a giveaway. All right, what does that retail for? All right, the lip kit retails for $25. All right, moving along to the next item. Ooh, this is very lightweight, and I think I've received this before because the packaging is very familiar. This is from the Beauty Crop, and it's the Glow Milk, which is going to be, or should be, some form of a liquid highlighter, or maybe it's something you mix in to skincare or foundation to give a glow. Let me stop speculating and let me look at the information card, which, by the way, this month they put more information. Usually the card is like this size and only has name of product and price. There is some teeny tiny writing on here, so I'm going to need my little friend. Okay, yes, I was correct. This is a liquid highlighter, and it retails for $15. The question is, can I open this without destroying the packaging? Because I'm curious what the shade is. I want to say The one I got a few years ago, possibly in an Allure box, it was too dark for me. But if this is in a nice pearly white or champagne tone, not very inclusive, but could go on my face. All right, let's see how you open her up. All right, yes, I managed to get it open without destroying the box. It was a struggle, but I did it. Ooh. Okay, yes, that does possibly look like something I can wear. I'm just going to lift it up. And, okay, it's a dropper. So I'm just going to not touch anything. Drop something on my skin. Come on. Get the pumping action working. And, really? You going to be difficult? Okay, nothing's going into the dropper. Squeeze, squeeze, pump, pump. Don't want to touch it, just in case. All right, still not squeezing out, but there's a little, something's dangling. I did not touch, but the little dangly bit. All right. The struggle I go through to try to not contaminate something in the event it needs to go into a giveaway. Ooh. But I think I did all that for nothing. That is some blingity bling bling bling. Yes, please. All right. Mama's got herself a new highlighter. On to the last item, which I forgot to mention. You will always receive an eyeshadow palette in this subscription. So what do we have here? And it comes beautifully protected with bubble wrap. Ooh. Ooh, she kind of scares me. What is this? All right, so this is from Galleta. I'm not sure if Galleta is the name of the palette. I believe so because this is from CHANITCO Beauty. Let me look at the card and then I'll share the color story because I want to get the brand and product explained perfectly. Okay, yeah, so Galleta is the name of the palette and it's by CHANITCO Beauty. Whoa, it retails for $45 and it says Galleta is the Spanish word for cookie and the palette contains a mix of matte and shimmer shades. I will be the judge of that. I'm sure it does, but I want to see firsthand. Oh, whoa, okay. If you're new, welcome. I am a basic kind of a person. This is beautiful. It's just super adventurous for how I wear my eyeshadows. But if you like purple and you like some oranges and green, anyways, that is beautiful. I am, however, going to set this aside for a giveaway. It does come with a mirror and it opens all the way up. All right, let's recap everything that came in the December Eyescream Beauty box. We got a beauty blender in the shape and design of a penguin. We got the Glow Milk liquid highlighter from Beauty Crop. We got a lip kit from Baesic Beauty with a lip pencil and liquid lipstick. We got an HD powder from Pure Cosmetics. And we got the Galleta eyeshadow palette from CHANITCO Beauty. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is so stinking adorable. I don't want to take it out of the packaging. It has cellophane around it, but there are little feet in here. So I don't know if that's like a stand or something they just stuck in them, but that is just so adorable. I'm boring. I only wear nudie pinks. These are way too dark for me, but how nice to get a duo of a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. Yes, please. Look at the bling. I love a highlighter. I have dry skin and don't use powder, but if I did use powder, this looks amazing. I am super boring when it comes to eyeshadow color stories. So I would have to say, for me, this has not been a good box because honestly, I'm only going to use one of the items. Well, two. I'm going to not use, but I'm going to oogle and ah this adorable penguin sponge. But I will get some use out of this highlighter. Now, those were the two cheapest items. So it was what, 13 and 15, 20. Okay, so I at least got my $25 worth. But in the big scheme of things, I'm not going to enjoy the palette, etc. Now, I go into these boxes knowing I'm a little picky. I'm a little on the neutral side. So that's not on them. That's on me. But I've also been contemplating in 2023 scaling back a little bit. And I think this beauty box may be one that's going to go. Leave me your comments down below. Do you enjoy watching me unbox the Eyescream Beauty box? Or are you with me and would be okay if I let it go bye-bye? Because at the end of the day, I've been getting beauty subscriptions and doing hauls and mystery boxes for almost 3 years. And I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of makeup and skincare that I could go 5 years without purchasing anything and still not hit pan on certain items. So 2023, spoiler alert, I'm going to try and go on low buys and or no buys. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of this box. I know briefly looking at the values that it's going to be north of $100, which is nice. However, I am a tad bit of a basic and which is on me. It's not on this beauty subscription. So I've just been contemplating letting this box maybe go. I would be curious to hear your thoughts. Would you want to see me to continue to unbox this? Or are you kind of on par with me where you'll watch and support no matter what I do and you really don't care if this box goes away? Because at the end of the day, I own so many products and I just need to start using what I own and not buying stuff just to buy it and unbox it. I hope you understand that. But if you love this box and want to keep seeing it, let me know. I may continue on. But more likely than not, this will be the last box I get for at least the near future. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this box? What do you think of the products? If I offered all these items to you and said $25, would you say that's a great value? Or would you go, I don't know that brand. I don't want that. I don't like that color story. I'm super curious what you think about this. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor, if you could click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.